What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another POV drive in the Sticksmobile. It's not the hottest, but it's not the coldest. I'm actually gonna go check right now if the car wash is open, because well, I have not got a car wash still. I've said that, like, I've said it for the last like 2 videos that I'm gonna go get a car wash like the next day, and I ended up not getting the car wash. So right now I'm gonna go get some cash and then go to some car wash I always go to. It's supposed to rain like tomorrow or the next day, but it's okay because, you know, I don't really take the car out that much, so it will be kind of in my garage, so it won't get wet. But I just need a car wash, bro, because like it's pretty bad, like it's too dirty. So I'm gonna run to the bank, get some cash, and then go to the car wash before I continue this POV drive for you guys, man. We'll go ahead and have some fun though, you know what I'm saying? I actually gotta go to the gym today too, so I hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday, or had an amazing Sunday, because when you guys watch this video, it would be Monday. So either or, you know, I hope you have a good Monday then, you know what I'm saying? I'm actually about to show you guys right now how bad my car is, bro, because you guys, yo, my car is pretty dirty right now. Look how dirty my car is, guys. It's pretty darn dirty, I ain't gonna lie to you. Mostly though, where you see it a lot is in the back. If you guys like look close, look at this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You guys see how dirty this thing is? Bro, I can't wait for the summer. That way I can clean my car like all the time. It's just this cold, bro. Be like annoying, bro. Sure, I just did a crazy ass U-turn too. And guess who was behind me? Well, a cop. He must have been on a good mood, as he hadn't pulled me over. I said, damn, I did it at the worst time. Like, right when I was doing it, he pulled up, bro. He literally had to wait for me to do it for him to go. Obviously where I did it, you couldn't even, you're not supposed to, but I was like, oh my goodness, don't tell me this. And as I'm doing it, I see him pull up behind me. I said, yeah, great. But he must have been in a good mood today, man. He didn't pull me over. So guess what, guys, we have no gas again. You're not supposed to do this, but I'm about to act like I'm about to go get gas so I can skip this light, and I'm not gonna get gas. You can get easily get pulled over for this, but you just gotta do it smartly, man. I'm gonna pull up like I'm about to get gas. Whoop whoop. I see it. Too expensive. Yeah, no, I don't want that gas. If anything, be like, yeah, I looked at the gas price, it was too high. I don't want that gas, and that's it. Let's see if they're even open today. They should be open though. They usually are open, but we should see though. They are open. It looks like there's mad cars there though. That thing is beastie, bro. That thing be out. Is that a E63? It's a big car. I think it's an E. It's an E63S. They be taxing at this place, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I really need a car wash. In front of us, we got a M550. Those things are beastie too. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Let's get this car wash, man. There you go, yeah. That's looking a lot better, bro. The motherfucker was looking dumb dirty, you know? Put in the hood now, man. Looking alright. Okay. Fish. Yeah, we good now, guys. We look clean. I can't put too much of it because of the copyrighted music, and I don't want to stop the music, but we're good to go now. All right, now I feel a lot better, guys. Bro, I'd rather get a freaking, you know what's so weird, bro? Like, some people are like, get haircuts and all this and that, and buy clothes, buy shoes. I'd rather buy stuff for my car, bro. I'd rather have a nice clean car, nice, you know, looking car than me look nice. I don't even know, bro. As long as my car look clean, I feel clean. You feel me? If your car looks clean, they think you clean too. But we're gonna be getting on the highway here. And then it's pretty much gonna be try to do a little cut up on the way to the gym here on the highway. But this highway does have a whole bunch of funny bumps. Once we're past that, we should be straight. So let's see if we can actually, first of all, let me get out that lane, because that right lane always, I think that's the one that has all the funny bumps. We should be good in the middle lane, mid or left lane. See if we can do some cutting up on the way to the gym here. Car's already asking me for some gas, but hey man, I already got you washed today, man. You don't need gas too. Stay like that. You'll be alright. Got an Audi in front of us, but I doubt he would want to go, you know. Now that I'm thinking about it, I actually haven't been to the city in a little while. Probably won't go tonight just because I know it's gonna rain later tonight. But sometime this week I need to pull up to the city, see what's going on, man. It's been a little while since I went to the city. That guy in that Audi, he wearing a suit and tie, man. How about this BMW? This big body X5, I think, X6, X5, yeah, big body X5. Ain't not about it either. Oh yeah, though. little drive, man. See what's up. Wow, I feel so good. Finally got this car clean, bro. This thing was looking filthy, bruh. I feel so much better now, man. Yeah, I need to wrap this car, bro. I really want to wrap this car. It's about that time I wrap this thing, man. I need to wrap rims, suspension, alignment, stars in the ceiling, a couple other little mods. There's so much still to do, guys, to this car. And once I get all that done, bro, once I do everything, this is my plans. Like, once I do everything I want to do to this car and I have it for a little bit longer, I'll probably sell it, and then I can move on to the next, you know, the next car. That's the plan, really, guys. Like, you know, get this car how I want it to look, very nice, all this and that. And once that's done, keep it for a little while longer and then sell it, so I can, you know, start the next journey on the next car, whichever car that is, and then we can go from there. You feel me? But look at the big body X7. Let me take this exit here. But yeah, I feel good now, man. I'm probably gonna keep this car in the garage because I know it's gonna rain for, I think, today and tomorrow. So I'll probably leave it in the garage today and tomorrow after, you know, before the rain starts. And then that way, when it's nice, I'll take it out, and then I won't have to get a wash again because it's already clean. You feel me? But I just really needed a wash. I know, like, I could have waited until the rain like passed, but nah, bro, I didn't want that dirtiness to like stick to the car and stuff like that. You feel me? So I feel like I had to get a wash, bro. Like, it was just necessary. It's like when you have it's like when you're looking crazy and you need a haircut, and you really need a haircut because, like, you look crazy. Yeah, I feel like that's how my car was looking. The good thing about it that it is white, so you can't really see it as much. But still, bro, I needed that wash, bro. Wow, we got here exactly at the same time I said, 5, bro. Gym closes in 2 hours. I don't need 2 hours, though. I need, like, maybe an hour or so. I don't know. I'm feeling like I might hit an upper body or all, like, maybe a full body workout. But I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Right now, I don't really feel strong. But once I stretch, take my pre-workout, do my pull-ups, my push-ups, and then I should be good for the workout. But we're pretty much here, guys. I don't think I have that much battery to even record after the gym, so... But anyway, that's gonna be it, though, man. I took you guys to a car wash. I took you guys on a nice little drive. That's pretty much what my day consists of, man. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like the video. Comment below what kind of videos you guys want to see more of, and all of that. Subscribe, of course. And with that being said, guys, I love you guys, man. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.